Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. In this particular topic, we want to create a very good poultry feed formula using cassava pea. Today, we are creating growers feed. This feed can be broiler growers, noiler growers, or layers growers, any of the growers, because we are trying to look at 17 to 18% crude protein feed formula. That will give us a very good balanced ration for growers. So here, join me. Let's use cassava pea to drop the cost of this feed to see if we can be cheaper or not. Let's see. Here we have poultry feed formulation using cassava pea and other ingredients. We have cassava pea, we have wheat offal, this last dry grain, pancake cake, rice bran, corn offal, blood meal, bone and meat meal, groundnut cake meal, premise, salt, lysine, and methionine. This is the ingredients we're going to make use of. There are about 13 of them here. These 13 ingredients is going to give us a balanced ration for growers. So let's go there. Now, this is rate of inclusion. This is total protein content of each of these raw materials. And this is the price per kg of them in my location. So you can, in your own location, put the price and see if this particular feed is cheap. And it's going to be a very balanced feed because it has a lot of ingredients. You can see them here. So let's start. Now let's make use of 20 kg because we are trying to drop the poultry feed. 20 kg. Here, which offer here we're using 23 kg. Now, Glister's dry grain, let's make use of 10 kg here. Then pancake cake, let's make use of 10 kg. Then rice bran, we're making use of 15 kg. Then corn offal, we're making use of 5 kg. Then blood meal, let's make use of 4 kg. Then bone and meat meal, let's make use of 3 kg. Then groundnut cake meal, let's make use of 9 kg. Premise, let's make use of 0.25. Salt, 0.25. Lysine, 0.25. And methionine, 0.25. All this will give us 100 kg. This is all we have here, 100 kg. Now, what is the total crude protein of cassava peel? I earlier told you the cassava peel have 6% crude protein. 6%. Then what is the crude protein of wheat offal? Wheat offal have 13%. Then this last dry grain have 30%. Then pancake cake have 16% crude protein. Then rice bran have 12% to 13% crude protein. Then corn offal have 10% crude protein. Then blood meal have 70% crude protein. If it is properly processed, it can get more than 70%. Bone and meat meal have 50% crude protein. Then GNC have 36 to 37% crude protein. Let's use 38% crude protein here. Then premise, there's no protein here. There's no protein here. There's no protein salt. All these ones are minerals. They are minerals here. So now we have this. How do we get the crude protein of all these feed together? What you do is you multiply this by the percentage of the crude protein for you to get this. Now, what do we do? Let's get there. Here now we have 20 times 6%. This will give us, hello, here I'm making use of my calculator here, you can see it. I want to make use of my calculator so that we can be accurate. Here now we are getting 20 times 6%. This will give us 20. This is 20 times 6%. That will say 20 over 6 divided by 100. This will give us 1.2. Then the second stage is 23 times 13 all over 100. to give us 2.99. I don't know whether you're following. Then the next one, which is 10 times 30 all over 100. This will give us 3.0. Next one is PKC, 10 times 16 all over 100. This is here. It will give us 1.6. This is 1.6. Next one, which is here, 15 times 12 all over 100, which will give us 1.8. Next one, 5 times 10 all over 100, which will give us 50. This will give us 0.5. Next one is 4 times 70 all over 100. This will give us 2.8. Next one is 3 times 50 all over 100. This will give us 1.5. The next one is 9 times 38. It will give us 3.42. We need to add all this now. Whatever it gives us is our total crude protein for this particular feed. Now let's add all. This will give us 1.2 plus 2.99 plus 3 plus 1.6 plus 1.8 plus 0.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5 plus 3.42 equals 18.81. You can see that this is under growers feed. Growers feed is between 16 to 17% crude protein. So this feed will give us crude protein of 18% crude protein. This feed is a very solid feed for broiler growers. You want your broiler to grow faster. This is the feed you're going to apply. And now let's check the cost of producing. This is 400 kg. Now let's see the cost of producing a bag of this feed now. Let's do that now. Please, for the cost of producing the feed, watch the next video loading now. This is where you get the total cost. Share this video, like, comment, and subscribe.